Hi guys, Down Under Monkey. Tonight I'm going to punish the shit out of myself and try and pick this Schlage core. That's a control key. So there's your little circuit on the back. And yeah, that's control key. I'll show you that the core does come out. And if I pick it, I will gut it. I'm aiming for operation, so I'm not going to be happy with just control. I'm going to be happy with operation. So let's get stuck into this. You can see I've changed the camera angle around a bit, trying to give you a better view of what's going on without me snorting in the microphone, which tends to happen sometimes. Okay, so that's our operating key. That's what we want to see when I'm finished picking it, and then I can gut it. So I've got a couple of tension bars here in case I lose one. Small, medium, and large hook. For whatever reason, who cares, they're here. Let's get started on this beast. I have not had an open on this lock yet, so if I do happen to open this, I will be very pleased. Oh, I can't even pick the bloody pickup. Alright, good start. Let's go. Let the punishment commence. Oh, I've got to take care of this little side pin first. That allows the core to turn. So let me just, yep, here we go. And let's give this a go. I do apologise if this gets up to a 3-day video, but that's kind of where I'm at. And two, if I do go quiet, I'm not dead. I just I can't pick and narrate and breathe at the same time when I'm trying to concentrate. It just doesn't work. My brain says, had enough, shut one of them down, or I will. So generally the talking goes first because I need to pick and breathe. Definitely a binder up the back there, but it feels tight now. If you can understand the crickets, they have a good old conversation when I'm not. If anyone speaks cricket, feel free to translate in the comments. Feels like I may have overset something. Because I've got nothing on anything. Alright, reset. Let's get this side pin taken care of. If I do happen to get this picked, I will say thank you to Nick Scott, my buddy feral shooter. He inspired me today with a couple of things that he said about pushing the boundaries a bit more. So I'm very comfortable picking the locks I know how to pick, and I realise that. So now I figure, let's take a little step up and see how we go. Does anyone else draw inspiration from people they know? Certain comments that have been made to you? Who are the people that motivate you? Oh my god. Holy shit. I've not got an open on this lock yet. Oh wow. Okay. Well, that's awesome. Yeah. Far out. Yeah, as I was saying, who do you draw your inspiration from? What do people say to you to get you going? I can't believe I just opened that. Yeah, cheers for your motivation, Nick. This lock's been kicking my ass for ages. Now the next step, I haven't gutted one of these before. I know you can gut this one because it's got a circlip on it. I don't even know if I've got the right size follower. I kind of actually didn't expect that to happen. Far out, that's awesome. Yeah, so, I don't know, whatever. Where do you get your motivation from? Clearly I got mine from Nick today, so cheers buddy. That was, you gave me the confidence to have a crack at this, and I appreciate that. You obviously see something in me that I don't see in myself. So, yeah, it's nice to know that sometimes people have faith in your abilities even when you don't. Okay, so that's gutting like a normal lock so far. Didn't feel like there were any spools in this. Oops, there's that little side pin. Now, tweezers. Okay, so the little side pin. Oh, did I put that out of a fucking camera? So there's the little side pin that holds, well, sort of retains the core a little bit. I'm going to put that there. And there's the wee baby spring that goes with it. And let's dump out these pins and have a look. Standard, 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 standard in all 7. Turn these around so I don't have to do it later. Now, up in the Bible, I'm expecting some fireworks. As you can see, nothing's been done to that at all. And there's the housing for that little retaining spring and pin. Cool. Only reason I'm saying I'm expecting fireworks is because it is multiple shear line for your control and operation key. So I'm kind of thinking this is going to explode into a fiery mess. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's dropped out the back. I hate having a hollow tube. So that's pin 1, space 1. And there's a little tiny pin for space 2. Dump out the spring. So far so good. Okay. Pin 1, pin 2, space 1. and 2 space 2. Cute little springs. Alright, moving forward. Pen 3, space 1. And I can't get the next one out without tapping it out. There it is. A little tiny little wee baby thing. And the spring won't come out of chamber 3. Moving forward to chamber 4. Space 1. Space 2. See if we can't bang out them springs, both of them. There we go. One came out of 3, one came out of 4, and it's trying to run away. I'm going to slide this through and go straight to the back because I'm running out of room. Okay, space 1. Whoa, just ran away. Uh-oh. I know it's over there. I saw it go. Oh man. Oh, got it. Okay. Space 1. Space 2. Oh Jesus, I put them in the wrong spot. That would have been hilarious when I put it back together. And nothing worked. Space 1. Space 2. And last spring. Okay, so whoa, I know what I did. Because I'm an idiot, I forgot there was 7 pins in it. I'm so used to picking 6 pins. Anyway, I'll figure out the order that they came out of. I have both keys, so it's not an issue. And there's the last spring. There you have it. The Schlage cylinder. Picked and gutted. Well, picked to control and then gutted. This thing actually come out? Oh, it does. Yeah, right. I've never picked one of these before. And I certainly have not gutted one before. That's really exciting. Wow. Well, that'll make it easy to figure out which one of these pins that dropped out goes in there. There you have it. As I said before, Nick, thanks for your motivation. Look what you made me do. Cheers, mate, and thanks to everyone else for watching. And yeah, I'm going to be doing my 100 subscriber giveaway a little bit later on. I'm just going to let it hold off for this virus thing to pass a little bit. So yeah, that way everything, postage and everything will hopefully work. But there's all the pins. You lay down. But anyway, that's a tiny little pin. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great night.